Rhythmically raking leaves on autumnal lawn, on high hedges to comrade shadows drawn. A canine keeps me company, hazily he sees, his rough russet hair brushed by the cool breeze. I halt leaf harvesting, heaped waste can wait, throw faded tennis ball, tempt Jack's terrier trait. It gets grabbed with a grin, he teases for a chase. Catch me if you can, fondly recalled happy face. Behind old apple trees, bright eyes expectant, tick-tock tail twitches, dog very attendant. Then ball flung far to distant vegetable patch, but sometimes closer, a chance for Jack's jump catch. But now his back legs fail, walking is redundant, sleep dominates his days, reluctantly recumbent. Sad scrape on buried stone by garden spades, earth dug very deep, circular grave was made. Only memories remain, Jack's curled under clay. Life's much less fun now, no clowning canine play.